Hi. Connor and Colton recording me too. Say hi, Colton.
Hi.
So we are gonna do these. It got dark pretty quick and timing didn't work out. So what we've done, we got 2 different rockets. We put glow sticks on them. Hopefully doesn't make them too heavy. But Connor's gonna launch his first, and we know the launch sequence. So Colton, you gotta stand back here.
Stand back. I'm scared.
Colton, you have to stand behind that thing, okay? All right, so we're gonna count down. So what Connor's gonna do is he's gonna hold that pin down, and then he's gonna light that thing up red. And once that thing lights up red, we're gonna count down from 5. And then on when we say 1, he's gonna push the launch button. And then we're gonna watch and see how it launches.
I'm excited.
All right, hold that key down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push the button.
You have to push the other button.
You push them both at the same time. 5. Okay, when it lights up red, hold it down. Now it's red. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch. Are you doing it at the same time?
No, it's off. It turns off.
Hold on. Watch out. I'm gonna launch. All right, I'm gonna point it right at the rocket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, well, we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. We'll be right back. All right, we're back. We think that the igniter wasn't pushed in far enough, so we're gonna try this again. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That thing went high! It landed! That's it!
Here it comes.
Ah, this is so scary!
It's out of control.
Got it.
All right. Looks like we might even be able to reuse the parachute. All right.
That's scary!
All right. And here's Colton's.
Yeah.
So we're gonna grab Colton's.
Yeah,
Colton, grab your rocket. We'll be right back. All right, we're back.
You got it on?
Here's Colton's rocket. We are all set up.
And we're done.
We have our charge together, and we're about to launch. Come on, Colton.
Ford is magical. That's what I say. It broke.
It didn't break.
What is that all the way back? This does that.
Colton, over here.
See?
Watch your step.
Yeah, you just.
Colton, over here.
Yeah, watch your step.
Connor, get behind the launch.
Hey, Connor, hold my
Okay,
phone.
this goes into the key hole, Colton.
It's recording.
That goes into the key.
Yeah.
You hold that down, and when that lights up red, we'll count down from 5, and you push that button at the same time.
Connor, make sure to track. Keep track on.
All right, go ahead and push the key in. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and launch.
Come on.
All right, Houston, we have a problem again. We'll be right back. And we're back. Colton, I did it. I pushed start. All right, push the key in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and launch.
Come on. What the?
Here it comes.
I can see it. I'm not.
Woo!
I couldn't see it.
Why not? All right, we're back. Launch number 2 for Connor. Here's his rocket.
Number 3 because one messed up.
This time he's gonna do the pushing of the button. I'm gonna go lights off. All right, Connor, go ahead and push your key in. 5, 4. Behind the launch. Colton, hurry up. Come on, back. Okay, we gotta start again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Look at it. That one's I'm getting parachute. No, you're not. The parachute didn't work.
Yeah, it did.
Not
All right. That was awesome, Colton. And we're back. This is gonna be Colton's launch number 2.
That's it.
Blue LED rocket. Watch out for your rocket, Connor. Don't step on that. Okay, put your key in.
That's the most important part.
Connor, you gotta make sure you're behind the launch. Okay, going lights off. Smile. Whoop. That was not a smile. We gotta do that again. Smile. Yeah. All right, lights out. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Look at it. Come on, catch it. Catch it now. See the light?
Coming down hot.
Go, go, go.
There it is.
Take the strike.
Woo! That was awesome. Was that cool?
Yeah.
Woo! Was that fun?
Yeah.
It's hot.
That's a workout.
It's not hot, it's just warm because it's cold out here. It feels hot. All right, so we'll pack these together again, and then we're gonna go and get some food. Hey, come here. Say hi, everyone.
Hi. Bye.
No, hi.
Hi.
Hi, everyone.
Hi. Hi. Bye.
Until next time.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.